In front of me is Realme Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to click on Users and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Click on Google Password Manager and select Add Password. Now it's time to input all of those informations. Any website, or click on Select App to tap on the chosen one. Username, email or phone number. Password. And even some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!